Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cable connectors is probably one of the most overlooked components in your home entertainment setup, but choosing the right one can dramatically impact your viewing experience, ensuring a crystal clear picture and reliable signal transmission, free from annoying interruptions and pixelation. This video will guide you through the selection process, helping you find the perfect connectors for your needs and budget, so you can enjoy your favorite shows without any technical glitches. Number 5. Ultra Clarity RG6 Coaxial Cable. This coaxial cable provides reliable connections for all your audio and visual needs. It's perfect for connecting your TV, satellite receiver, or other devices. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, with weatherproof and UV-resistant features. The quad shielding protects it from electrical shock and interference. The gold-plated connectors minimize interference and ensure a reliable connection. They're corrosion-resistant and built to last. This cable is in-wall rated, meeting fire safety codes. It's also versatile enough for other applications like security systems or intercoms. It features a pure copper core and consistent 75 ohm impedance for a high-frequency range up to 3.0 GHz. Enjoy a clear and reliable signal. We stand behind our product with a 12-month warranty and US-based technical support. If you're not satisfied, we'll replace it or give you a refund. What we like. It offers superior protection against signal interference and electric shock. If you need a reliable connection for indoor or outdoor use, especially in-wall installations, this is the perfect choice. Its robust build and gold-plated connectors ensure a long-lasting, high-quality connection. What people say. The build quality of this cable is noteworthy, especially for longer runs with a bend against the wall required to reach its destination. It handled the job with finesse, ensuring a reliable connection without compromising performance. The quad shielding really makes a difference, reducing interference and providing a crisp, clear signal. This cable must truly be shielded as they claim. It runs right past the kitchen and microwave, which seems to interfere with the digital signal, and runs behind lamps, down inside walls, and behind the TV where there are all sorts of other electrics and cables. The picture on my 55 TV couldn't be better. Number 4. G-Plug 6 feet RG6 Coaxial Cable. Tired of spotty signals and unreliable connections? This coaxial cable provides a solid, consistent connection, extending your signal effectively. It's the perfect solution for a stable internet and TV experience. Unlike other cables that break easily, this one is built with high-quality materials for long-lasting durability. The double rubber O-ring is even weather-sealed for both indoor and outdoor use. Everything you need is included: high-quality cable, brass compression connectors, a waterproof O-ring, and even an extra extension coupler. It's your complete solution for a fast, stable connection. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you're not thrilled within 30 days, simply contact us for a full refund. We also offer a 12-month warranty for a free replacement or reimbursement. Engineered by electronics experts in the UK, it delivers superb functionality. Our customer service team is here to help with any questions you may have, replying within 24 hours. What we like. This ensures a consistent, high-quality signal, no matter the weather conditions. If you're tired of unreliable connections and want a durable, long-lasting solution for both indoor and outdoor use, this is it. Its weather-sealed design makes it perfect for any environment. What people say. The connectors feel sturdy, the shielding is nice and thick, and the cables themselves have some satisfying heft and flexibility to them. Installation was an absolute breeze too. The connector ends went on easily but gripped tight to the cable and ports. Just a secure fit with minimal effort. And once they were hooked up, both my internet and TV streaming came through crystal clear with no interference or quality drops. The broadband speeds were fast and consistent, while the TV looked tack-sharp in 4K HDR. Number 3. VCE RG6 F-Type Coupler. Need to add length to your coaxial cables? This is the perfect solution. It's easy to use and ensures a reliable connection. The gold plating resists corrosion, ensuring a long-lasting connection. It also adds durability and strength to the connector. It's specifically designed for RG6 coaxial cables, providing a secure and reliable connection every time. Perfect for use with RG6 patch cables, extending their reach without signal loss. A great choice for home theater or cable TV setups. Get 5 connectors in one pack, perfect for replacements or additional projects. It's a cost-effective way to keep your cables in top condition. Each connector comes individually packaged to protect it from damage. This ensures you always have a pristine connector ready to use. We stand behind our product. It comes with an 18-month warranty against any quality issues. What we like. These connectors resist corrosion and provide a reliable connection. If you need several connectors for various RG6 cables or want a cost-effective solution with spares, this 5-pack is ideal. Its gold-plated design ensures a long-lasting, high-quality connection. What people say. It appears well made and does what it's supposed to. They are made from a nice metal and have a high-quality gold plating to them. They are super easy to use, just screw it onto the existing Coax cable you're using and then the other end onto a different cable to give you the added length you desire or need. I had no lose of signal strength with these at all. They are well made, free of burrs, and thread into the cable smoothly. Importantly, they were sturdy enough to allow the connection to be properly torqued. The picture and sound came on, and the signals appeared free of interference. Number 2. ONELINKMORE Coaxial Adapter. It's the perfect solution for tight spaces. This adapter lets you connect your coaxial cables without sacrificing valuable wall space or rearranging furniture. It works with all your devices. Use it with your antenna, satellite receiver, cable TV, and more. It's compatible with a wide range of coaxial cables. Installation is a breeze. Simply connect it to your existing coaxial cable and wall plate for a seamless fit. Perfect for RVers. It's also great for satellite dishes, cable TV hookups, and any application where space is limited. Its 90-degree angle makes it ideal for connecting cables flush against a wall. This keeps your connections neat and tidy. You get 2 of these handy adapters. That's enough to handle multiple connections. What we like. It's perfect for tight spaces and flush installations against walls. If you're looking for a space-saving solution for your home or office, this is the perfect choice. Its versatility makes it suitable for various applications. What people say. The new mount made it impossible to get the appropriate cords to the correct plugs on the back of the TV under the mount. This is the perfect solution. I've had about 3 months and we haven't had one problem. I'm getting higher download speeds with this adapter, which leads to a switch then to my docking station and other devices. No interruptions or degradation of signal with my Works VPN either. These worked great for a flat screen on the wall with the cable connection behind the TV. Number 1. 3-in-1 Coax Cable Crimper Kit. This crimper ensures reliable connections for RG59 and RG6 cables, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It's ideal for installations and repairs, providing peace of mind. With its dual-blade design, it quickly and efficiently strips RG59, RG6, RG11, and RG7 cables. The adjustable feature prevents damage to the inner wires. This 3-in-1 kit includes a crimping tool, an adjustable stripper, and 20 F-Type RG6 connectors. Everything you need for professional-looking repairs and installations. It's engineered to high standards, with a precise crimping die that ensures accurate crimps every time. This prevents damage to the F connectors and ensures a long-lasting connection. It features an ergonomic design for comfortable handling, making it easy for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its compact size makes it portable and easy to store. Whether you're installing satellite TV, CCTV, or working on home theater setups, this kit is up to the task. It's a versatile solution for various applications. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for coaxial cable installation and repair. If you're a DIY enthusiast or professional, this comprehensive kit simplifies the process. Its ergonomic design and versatility make it perfect for various applications. What people say. The crimped connector fit tightly on the Coax cable and, when connected to the TV, worked perfectly. The process to attach the connector to the cable is quite simple, and with the included stripper and connectors, took only a minute. The crimper seems very well built. The stripper works flawlessly and the crimper is so easy to use. The Coax ends are well made. After adjusting both blades a couple of turns tighter, I had the stripper working well on this cable. I also tested it on a piece of RG6 cable, and it worked perfectly because the outer jacket was looser. I also used a toothbrush to brush the braided shield away from the center conductor, and that worked great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.